great day and happy weekend, guys. Look here today. The DC signed the Indices robot made $99.43 profit and $20 went in swap. So I left with $78 profit today. Free position on 51S index, and look here. The overall profit is of the day is $78.73. Today is the evening. Now it's time to take the withdrawal. Is 78. This is Sunday. Okay, so this is Saturday. Tomorrow is Sunday. The weekend. I'll just take the withdrawal and submit request on their site. So let's go. Yes, so guys, $78. I just moved in my CR account, and now it's time to click on withdraw option. Let's withdraw in my account. They sent me an email. Let's go and check the email. Okay, here's I got the email. Okay, let's click on the email and go for submit a withdraw request, and I hope to get this withdraw very soon. They process within an hour, and today maybe it takes some time because there is weekend, but they process weekend withdraw also. Okay, $78 is krill, and here is the payout. Okay, and here is confirmed. Thanks for watching, guys.